So morning all. Hope you guys are able to hear me, right? Lahari, are you able to hear me and able to see the screen which I'm sharing? Am I audible, Lahari?
Yeah, I can hear you, Raju. Sorry, I missed that previously.
Okay, fine. So hope you are able to see the screen as well, right?
Yes, I can see yours.
Okay, let me check this. Yeah. So what are the topics we discussed in the previous class?
Yeah, we had a discussion about can I say patent?
Yeah.
Waterfall model yesterday, and the different types of model, that is the sequence model and iterative model.
Yeah, in the previous class, we have gone through the types of models we have while developing a software in the IT market. And we have two types. One is sequential model and another one is iterative model. In the sequential model, I have gone through the waterfall model yesterday session. In the today session, we are going to go through one more model, which is from the category of iterative model, okay, which is named as a spiral model. So on Monday, we can go through the V model, and Tuesday, we can go through the Agile model, and we'll close the SDLC models by Tuesday. Okay. So even one student is joined in the class gets continued. Don't worry about that. The classes are taken if the less members are into the course or not. Okay. So even the single person is joined in the course class in particular day, the class gets continued. Okay. The people who opt in can see the recordings. Fine.
Yeah, great.
So in the today's session, we are going to discuss about the spiral model. Okay, so what exactly the spiral model is? Okay, so what are the advantages and disadvantages which we discussed in the waterfall sequential model yesterday? Any idea?
Wait,
No idea.
actually, no, I forgot. I remember few of the
Yeah, whatever you remember, you can tell me. No issues. Even it's wrong, it's not an issue.
yeah. you can- So as I remember previously, it is suitable for the small projects. At the same time, um, I haven't remembered that disadvantages. Some I can say some of the disadvantages of it. So if we have any kind of errors or any kind of requirement from the client side, it will be not possible in the waterfall model. At the same time, we can do the changes in the development, but it will be creating coming to disadvantages. It will be creating more problems. Um like if we did any small changes as well.
Yeah, great. But in the spiral model, it's completely different. That spiral model is nothing but let me open a document before going to go through the content. Let me open. I hope you are able to see the document, right, which I'm sharing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, correct. So here you can see the spiral model. It's very important model. So currently we are not using much. It's based on the project. Whenever we need the risk analysis like IRCTC applications, financial applications, for those applications, we need some risk analysis, right? So in those scenarios, we are going to use the spiral model usually. Okay. So actually the spiral model, while developing a software, we are going to develop into the small modules. For example, if you have 20 features in the project, so we are going to segregate the 20 features by 4. Like how many features we have? 5 features for each module, right? So we are going to do it in the 4 modules, like module A, module B, module C, and module D. In that form, we can do it here. So as I written here, so if the software has 20 features, I'm talking an example. A single software should not be have a 20 feature. It should be more than that only. Okay. So here software is at 20 features and each module will consist of 5 features. Okay. So if you observe here that module A is nothing but 1 to 5. Module A is nothing but 1 to 5. TA is nothing but what exactly the TA is? Testing of module A. So here
Okay.
what exactly happen here for each module is, for each module design is going to be done, testing is going to be done, deployment is going to be done, here requirement analysis is going to be done. Okay, these 4 phases is done for the each module. If you observe the diagram here, let us consider the figure shown in the below as developing as a software product X. If you consider this is a X product, which is going to be designed. So that X product is designed into the 4 modules. One module is module A, module B, module C. Module A consists from feature 1 to 5. Module B consists from feature 6 to 10. Which module C consists from 11 to 15. Module D consists from 16 to 20. Okay, so total how many features we have? Design 20 features we have can be divided into the 4 modules. Okay, for each module. So as I said that A, B, C, D, total 4 modules, right? For each module, we are going to do design, requirement, design, coding, testing. These 4 phases will done for all separately. All separately. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see here, X is built by integrating the module A, comma, B, comma, C. Module A, comma, B, comma, C, and D. Total 4 modules we have. Getting some disturbances from Teams. Let me close it. Yeah. So whenever I'm doing the module A work, so for every module, we are going to do the requirement analysis, design, coding, testing, total 4 phases we are going to do for everything, right? So I selected the module A first. For module A, design is done, coding is done, requirement is done, design is done, coding is done, testing is completed. Done. Keep the module A aside. Now I'm starting with the module B. So whenever I'm starting with the module B, the requirement analysis of the module B features will done, design of the module B features done, and development of the module test will be done. And here the point here is testing. Okay, whenever the testing comes to the module B, there will be a bit change in the testing part. So whenever you are testing the module B, you need to test in these 3 modules: module B, module A, module AB, module B, module A, and module AB. The total 3 things we are going to test when it comes under the module B. Test module A, test module B, and integration of module B with A. Integration of module B with A. Total these 3 features we are going to test for the module B. So whenever coming to the everything will be same. The phase of testing will be different from B to D. B module, C module, D module, because we are going to integrate the previous modules as well, right? So here, if I take here, so coming to the module A, we are going to test only module A. But coming to the module B, we need to test the module A again, module B again, module AB. Why? Because the both are integrating. First, initially 5 features we have. After we developed 6 to 10. So we need to integrate the 6 to 10 features too, right? Okay. So coming to the C. C also same again. Module A, module B, module C, module AB, module BC, module CA. Getting my point? Module ABC. Like the probabilities in the mathematics, how we are checking it. We need to integrate the first 2 modules and we need to be test. We need to integrate the BC and we need to test. And we need to integrate the C and we need to test. And we need to integrate the ABC and we need to test. These all are the possibilities need to be verified from the module C. Whenever come to the module D, again the probabilities will be changed. TA, TB, TC, TD, and TAB, TBC, TCA, TABC, BCD, CDA, TABCD. Okay, these all are the modules probabilities we need to be verified from the testing phase. Okay, yeah, the requirement design coding will be common for all the modules. But coming to the testing part, for module A, we are going to test only module A because the remaining modules are not yet developed, right? So, but coming to the B, we need to verify the A and B. A is already developed before. By adding this B module, anything is affected or not, we need to be verified. Again, module C, by adding module C to B or A or else AB, anything is getting affected, need to be verified. By adding module D to the C or B or A or AB or BC or CA or ABC or ABCD. So need to be verified the anything is affected by adding the new code. Getting my point, Lahari?
Yes, Raju.
Yeah, this is all about the spiral model. Okay, the major thing what we need to do, this is going to be developed by the module wise. But if you see the waterfall model, how it goes, all 20 features will be developed once. Once the development is done, we will come to the testing phase. If we want to change any feature also, we are not able to go back, right?
Yep.
So there's a major difference between what I can say, waterfall model and spiral model. Okay. So if you see here, if you see same thing, what I explained here, that will be there in the theoretical part here. But here also we have a one disadvantage.
Yeah.
Can you please tell what it is?
Yeah, we have in circular, I mean, continuously, but if we want, for example, we were on designing phase or else development phase, if client has said anything new, we cannot do it, we cannot go back to the design again. So we have to do it from starting onwards in the circle.
No, it's not a disadvantage. Okay, we can do it. Here we have 4 modules, right? So you are done with 1 to 5 features, right? So
Yeah.
once you're done with 1 to 5 features, if any new change will comes from the customer, we can add that in the next module, right? It's not an issue. Getting the
Majorly,
point?
it may impact on the cost pricing as well because we
Yeah.
need more testing.
That is the one of the disadvantage because more resources required. More employees are required to do the testing because the testing takes more time because we need to test the modules again and again and again in the different modules, right? That's the reason, one of the disadvantage. It's a cost effective. And second one is this loop may go infinite. Loop may go infinite. Loop may go infinite means now we have only 20 features. You have divided into the 4 modules, 5, 5, 5, 5. But if there is thousands of features, the loop may go infinite, right?
Yep.
As you said that if the features are changing continuously, the loop may go infinite. The new modules will come and the loop may go infinite. That is also one of the disadvantages. Okay. So let's see the advantages and disadvantages. Software is produced early in the software life cycle. It's advantage because why the software is produced early? For every module, we are getting the product, right? So then it produced early. Risk handling is one of the important advantage. Why? Because every module we are testing the multiple time. So it will help us to the risk-free application. Flexibility in requirements, and it is good for large and complex projects, and it is good for customer satisfaction, and strong approval and documentation control should be there because we are going to segregate into the module wise. And next, it is suitable for high risk projects. It is suitable for high risk projects. Okay. So that's what I said, that risk handling is one of the important advantage. Even if in interviews they will ask an advantage and disadvantage, simply you can tell that advantage is it is used for the risk handling. Disadvantage means it needs more resources. It's a cost effective. Okay. These 2 points are enough to tell to the recruiter that you know the spiral mode. Okay, these are basic things. If you see the disadvantages here, it's not suitable for the small project as it is expensive and it is much more complex than other SDLC models because our process is complex because the integration part is complex. Whenever the modules increases, the integration part, testing part should be required. And too much dependable on risk analysis and requires high specific expertise person should be there. Difficulty in time management. Spiral may go indefinitely based on the increase of features. And due to the fifth point, we are not aware about the end of the project, when the project will be completed. It is not suitable for low risk projects and may be hard to define the objectives, verifiable milestones, large number of intermediate stages, requires excessive documentation. These all are the disadvantages what we have. I'm going to share this material by Monday. I'm going to share this material by Monday EOD. So please enroll yourself, guys. Already the group is created, seems. Please try to enroll and be in that group. So I'm going to share this document by the Monday EOD. So recall the concepts which I'm going to discuss in the classes. Okay. So next, clear about the spiral model.
Yes.
Okay. So very, very important. So far we have gone through one sequential model and one iterative model. Okay. So next we'll see what are the roles and responsibilities as a manual tester. Okay. So these are the basic things that we have in our companies. If you got an offer in the any of the company as a manual tester, so if it is work from office, I'm telling, okay, mostly work from office or work from home, it's completely different, that we are not ensure that when we are traveling also we are working from car, working from train, so it's completely different scenario. Okay, so here the timings will be maybe 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. or else 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. or else 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. These are the major timings, the common shifts what we have for the IT, right? So total 9 hours we have, total 9 hours we have. What exactly will happen is whenever we are entered into the office, initially we have a stand-up call. Okay, that stand-up which includes only internal team, internal testing team. Okay, so we need to discuss with our team lead and with our manager what we done yesterday and what we are going to do today. That team manager will be there, lead will be there, our team members will be there. We need to tell that on what ticket you worked before. Okay, I will tell you what exactly ticket is in the agile model. So which we create in the Jira tool. In coming days, we can work on practically in it. So as of now, just remember the ticket is nothing but the task what you done in the yesterday will be categorized as a ticket in the form of ticket. Like if you want to go for movie, you are going to buy a ticket, right? So it's nothing but you are going to buy some slot in that theater for 2 or 2.5 hours. In similar way, to do some work, you are going to assigned by the one ticket that you are occupied with particular task. Okay, that by that the manager and team members others know they won't assign any work to you. You already in the participation of another task. Okay, so initially you have a internal team call based on the numbers count. Maybe 10 members, 20 members, 15, 5 members, 6 members. Based on your project, you may have testing team. For the testing team, you have the internal stand-up call. So after the stand-up call, again, you guys will enjoy with some cafeteria by going for 30 minutes and 1 hour based on your project. And you are starting with your work. What exactly your work will be there in the manual testing? Writing the test cases, writing the tester scenarios based on the feature. For example, if I give one scenario to the Lahari that please write the test cases for the login page of Flipkart application. So that is one scenario. You have to analyze the scenarios and you need to write the test cases for it. To write the test cases, we need few test design techniques we are going to discuss in the further classes. Okay. So after writing the test cases, what is your work? Executing the test cases. You have a test cases ready. You need to execute and you need to update the report to your managers or leads or whoever it is. Okay. Next, usually we have a lunch break for 1 hour or half an hour or 45 minutes. It's purely based on your project manager and everything. So it's not like a school and college, we have the fixed lunch break. So whenever we are free and we are going to have the lunch. And again, we have one more stand-up call, which is called it as a scrum call. If you are following the agile methodology, most of the companies following the agile methodology only. So if the scrum call is nothing but the scrum master will be there who can manage like master slave architecture, you guys aware, right? The scrum master will be there. He is going to coordinate developers, testers, product owners, product managers, business analysts, and yeah, they are going to coordinate all the people into the single place. Because if you want to write a test cases, you should be aware about that feature. You may have some doubts while exploring the features, right? That doubts can be clarified by the PO and business analyst. Okay, so and as a tester, you need to tell the progress of your work also to the PO, BA, and all the people. Okay, so for that purpose only, here Scrum Master is the person who need to manage their work to be completed in the particular time. You have given some time to write the test cases. You have given 20 days or 15 days. Okay, so the Scrum Master should be the responsible to complete the test cases scenarios writing by you within 15 days. Okay, he or she is the Scrum Master is the person who has to manage everything to be completed in given ETA, estimated time, whatever time you have given in PA meetings. Okay, so after that, maybe snack break again, you can work based on your works and then you guys are log out. Okay, basically your work will be the same thing. Okay, manual testing work is not much difficult if it is the functional testing. If it is the production testing, again, the scenarios were different. The customers will escalate some issues. The issues will come. You need to raise the issues and you need to work, connect with the developer. And again, so much difficulties will be there as a manual tester if you are production testing support. Because if any issue comes in the live, it's very important to give the priority and resolve as soon as possible, right? So even though any dish is not working in our home, we are escalating that that particular net is not working to the Airtel or Act, whatever it is, right? There immediately they are giving some slot for us, and the technician will come and will resolve our issue, right? So because why they are giving priority? Because it's a live issue. The customer escalated. If we are not providing resolving the issue as soon as possible, that person may change their network because the market is vast. We have alternatives for the network and everything, right? So even though, for example, if you are not providing the good support in the HDFC bank, we have an alternative option of ICICI bank, right? Getting my point? So
Yeah.
the production support is testing is somewhat bit difficult. Easy work is easy, but you need to be patient to get the tickets and resolve it as soon as possible. But functional testing is very easy and very you guys can chill and can work as a manual tester. Automation testing also same things will be happen. Scrum call will be there, stand-up call will be there. In the work part, you are not going to write the script. Instead of writing the test cases, writing the script, executing the script, updating the scripts and report. That's it. Nothing more than that. This is the basic responsibilities what you have as a fresher or up to 5 years of experiences what you have. If more than 5 years of experience, the same things will not be there. So you have to give the timelines to the managers that, and you need to manage the few members under you. Okay, for example, I have 6 years of 7 years or 8 years of experience and working as a team lead. So I need to manage the few people under me, and I have to make sure that the people under me is working perfect and closing the things as expected or not need to be verified while doing work also. Okay, while doing the tasks, beside that, you need to be monitor the people who is working under you. Okay, this is all about our roles and responsibilities of the manual testers what we have. Any doubt, Lahari?
No, Raju.
Okay, great. So this is the basic idea about the spiral model and all. On Monday, we can discuss V and V model. Tuesday, we can discuss Agile model. Agile model is very, very important. By Tuesday, we can close the SDLC models. And whoever joined or not joined, keep that point aside. And we are going to take class every day. So until unless I am not feeling well. So I'm going to take the class every day. So we can close manual testing mostly by the mid of the second week of August. Mostly before 15th August, we can close it. Manual testing part. Okay.
Oh.
After the August 15, we can start the automation testing. Hope clear, guys. Okay, done. So hope everyone is clear. That's it for the day. So again, as I said that up to Tuesday, we have the 30-minute session. So which can make you pretty clear and habited to the classes. And from Wednesday, we are going to start the 1 hour sessions. Okay. So hope you guys are clear. So if you are not yet joined, please try to join as soon as possible, Hari. So thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you.